QSpiders date is June 28th. June 28th. And company name is Successfull. My package is 2,20,000 per annum. Software training, role is software training. I'm experiencing in QSpiders is a very good experience, and also Sabri sir was teaching me to very friendly manner to learn new things, and also classes are more entertainments. Entertainments also that in Hassas's class is very joyful class, and also in everyday class we love. And also Hassas's tells some real-time examples to learn easy manner. And also Bharat sir are writing stories, very interesting. It was very interesting and also very useful. And also I'm going grooming classes monthly month, learn how to speak in interviews, and also how to questions answers the questions.